Have you ever heard of a spider that prefers a sweet treat over a savory prey? One that shatters the common perception we hold of spiders as fearsome predators. Meet the Bagheera Kiplingi, a fascinating creature that's more of a sugar lover than a bloodthirsty beast. Nestled in the lush greens of Central America, particularly in the Caribbean region, the Bagheera Kiplingi stands as an intriguing outlier in the spider world. While its brethren lurk in the shadows, ready to strike unsuspecting victims, the Bagheera Kiplingi basks in the daylight, feasting not on the flesh of insects, but on the nectar of the acacia shrubs. This unique spider has formed a symbiotic relationship with the acacia shrub, harvesting nectar from the plant's hair-like glands. It's a mutual understanding, a pact of survival where the spider protects the plant from leaf-eating insects and the plant, in return, provides the spider with its primary nourishment. Interestingly, Bagheera Kiplingi spiders lead a somewhat social life. They live in colonies within the acacia shrubs, each individual marking its own territory within the leafy abode. But don't be fooled. While they may share the same roof, each spider fiercely guards its own space. To add to their charm, these spiders are a sight to behold. Their vibrant colors and striking body patterns make them an alluring spectacle in the world of peculiar creatures. So, to wrap up, the Bagheera Kiplingi is not your typical spider. It's a nectar-loving, daylight-dwelling, acacia-protecting, somewhat social creature that adds a dash of sweetness to the otherwise predatory spider world. This fascinating creature redefines what we know about spiders, proving that even in the most feared and misunderstood creatures, there exists a captivating uniqueness. As we continue to explore the great tapestry of nature, let's remember the Bagheera Kiplingi, a tiny yet significant thread that adds a bold stroke of color to our understanding of biodiversity.
Ever wondered about the life of a Bagheera Kiplingi spider? This unique creature, named after a character from Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book, has a fascinating tale to tell. The Bagheera Kiplingi, often found in the acacia shrublands scattered across the Caribbean and Central America, tends to inhabit semi-grassland habitats, particularly in areas where acacia shrubs thrive. It's here that our story begins. The Bagheera Kiplingi is an anomaly among spiders. While most spiders are known for their carnivorous diets, this little creature prefers a greener diet. Yes, you heard it right. The Bagheera Kiplingi is predominantly vegetarian, feasting on the Beltian bodies of the acacia plant, a form of plant tissue rich in nutrients. This makes it one of the few known, predominantly vegetarian spiders. The mating season for these spiders tends to vary depending on environmental factors and habitat conditions. When the time is right, the female Bagheera Kiplingi lays her eggs in a nest she constructs from her own silk. Here, in this safe haven, the next generation of Bagheera Kiplingi begins its journey. After the eggs hatch, the spiderlings remain close to the nest. Their first meals are not the insects or small creatures we often associate with a spider's diet. Instead, they nourish themselves on nectar, thriving on this sweet substance until they are large enough to embark on their own journey through the acacia bushes. As they mature, they continue their vegetarian diet, a rarity in the spider world. They skillfully navigate the thorny world of the acacia shrubs, avoiding the aggressive ants that also call these plants home. As they grow and develop, they continue to exhibit their unique lifestyle, proving that even in the world of spiders, there's room for diversity and difference. In summary, the Bagheera Kiplingi is a unique creature in the spider world. From its predominantly vegetarian diet to its unique life cycle, this spider is a testament to the diverse and fascinating world of nature. Found in the acacia shrublands of the Caribbean and Central America, it lives a lifestyle that defies the norm for spiders. Whether it's laying eggs in a silk nest or feeding on nectar and Beltian bodies, the Bagheera Kiplingi's life is a tale of survival, adaptation, and the beauty of nature's diversity.
Have you ever wondered how a spider could be a vegetarian? The Bagheera Kiplingi is a fascinating specimen that breaks the common perception of spiders as carnivorous creatures. This unique species belongs to the Saltaceae family, more commonly known as jumping spiders. But it's not their jumping prowess that sets them apart. The Bagheera Kiplingi, named after the panther in Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, is noted for its peculiar diet, which primarily consists of plant matter. It's a commonly held belief that spiders are all carnivorous, feasting on unfortunate insects caught in their meticulously woven webs. Yet the Bagheera Kiplingi defies this stereotype. Nourishing itself mainly on the Beltian bodies of the acacia tree, this spider is a rare example of an arachnid herbivore. The Bagheera Kiplingi has adapted to a life among the thorny branches of the acacia tree. The acacia provides it with food, shelter, and a defensive advantage against potential predators. These spiders are usually found in Mexico and Guatemala, thriving in the unique ecosystem that these regions provide. The Bagheera Kiplingi is not entirely immune to danger, though. Small birds, predatory insects, and other spiders pose a threat. However, their lifestyle and adaptations tend to provide ample protection within their acacia bush colonies. In conclusion, the Bagheera Kiplingi is a remarkable creature. It's a spider that leaps across the branches of acacia trees, dines on plant matter, and lives a relatively peaceful life, unhindered by the typical dangers faced by its carnivorous kin. This jumping spider truly challenges our understanding of arachnid behavior, demonstrating that the world of spiders is more diverse and complex than we might think.
Ever pondered over the spider realm with its web of misconceptions? One common fallacy is that all spiders are venomous, dangerous to humans, and are carnivorous by nature. It's time to dispel these myths, particularly focusing on one fascinating species, the Bagheera Kiplingi spider. Unlike its numerous cousins in the arachnid world, this unique spider has swapped its carnivorous diet for a greener alternative. The Bagheera Kiplingi, a name borrowed from literature named after the panther in Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book, is predominantly herbivorous. Yes, you heard it right, a vegetarian spider. This intriguing creature thrives on the nutritious Beltian bodies found on the tips of the leaves of the acacia tree. These Beltian bodies, rich in protein, are a part of the tree's symbiotic relationship with ants. But our clever spider has found its way into this exclusive dining club. However, don't be fooled into thinking the Bagheera Kiplingi is a pacifist. When the going gets tough and food becomes scarce, it resorts to its hunting instincts, preying on ant larvae. It's a survival strategy, a testament to the adaptive nature of this spider. Now on to the Bagheera Kiplingi's unique characteristics. This species is found primarily in Central America, flourishing in the tropical climes. They are agile jumpers, a skill that aids them in avoiding confrontations with the protective ants of the acacia tree. Their coloration ranges from a dull yellow to a vibrant green, providing perfect camouflage against the leafy backdrop of their habitat. Moreover, the Bagheera Kiplingi spider exhibits fascinating social behavior. These spiders live in large colonies, a rare sight in the spider world where solitary living is the norm. They weave communal webs, a testament to their social nature. So, the next time you think of spiders, remember the Bagheera Kiplingi. Not all spiders are venomous hunters. Some are herbivorous social beings living in harmony with their environment. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises, constantly challenging our perceptions and understanding. It's a wide, wondrous world out there, filled with countless stories waiting to be discovered and told.